Holy crap, we got on Centrepoint. Look at this brand new mod. KDS330 mod. Doesn't feel very well attached, but whatever. Wow. Stopping at 13. Look at that. Goodbye lanterns. Alright, let's try this again, shall we? This cab. This looks so nice. Fans like that though, whatever. I think the motor's original. Cab original? I'm pretty sure the cab's original. Yeah, it is. When it's running, it's smoother than the original list, but when it starts, it's rougher. Wow, this cab is actually really nice. What time your lift parts there are? Let's go up to our floor, where we're staying. Levels are nice as well. Has slight pre-doors. This is our floor. Panic room sensors. Shelf lights. I wonder where lift 1 is. There's going to be one. I obviously can't ride the original lift because it's gone, but whatever. I knew last time that it would probably be my last ride anyway, so it's fine. Let's have a look at the lift parts and get out here. Oh, there's none.